Hello everyone, hope you're well and welcome to today's video. So you all were asking me about how I curled my hair in one of my videos where I was wearing a pink top and I curled them with GHDs. So I thought I'd do a little tutorial really quick on how I get these sort of like loose beachy waves, and yeah, really quick, really easy, great way to switch up your hairstyle, brilliant if you've got short hair. And yeah, it just creates a bit of body. So if you'd like to see how I created this, then carry on watching. I'm gonna attempt to put the top half of my hair up. I washed it last night, so only these bottom bits are down. Just sludge it up with a clip like that. Okay, so now I'm not really like, you know, I just do it however. Okay, so, and sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. That day I did it, for some magical reason, it worked. So what I do is I just take a piece of hair like that, take the GHDs, and just there you go, and you get this little curl. What I try to do is do them sort of, you know, one way towards the face, one way outside the face. I don't even know what I do sometimes. I just pull it down and I just turn it and I hold it a bit, and you get these curls. So see, I've done that a different way now. See, I don't even know what I've done now. Right, okay. So yeah, this is how I do it. So then I go like that, I go down, and is that away from the face? Or what is that? I don't even know. Okay. Because I just want like, not even curls, but just like little twists of the hair. And I just basically keep going around, grabbing all the straight bits and just holding it and then just turning it so I get a little kink. Almost like a kink. So all the bits that you haven't done, just grab. And then you want to twist and let go, and then you see you get like a curl like that, which is what I like. And you get a few stragglers like this, just take it and twirl it around. There you go. And I basically go around getting all the little pieces, curling them. Like that one didn't come out very well. Like, why is that? I think you've got to make sure the ends are kind of in there. Okay, and I kind of go, so basically you get the gist of it. I go around, I take the bits under, and I go on the other side. Now the other side always proves difficult for me because I've got to use the other hand, and I'm like, do I use the same hand or what? So I think I do the same thing, like, yes, oh yes. Oh, now that is, there we go. This is what I'm talking about. And I literally just keep going around. The bits underneath are harder because they're quite short, but if you can just get the very ends, there you go. It just creates a bit of body. And I was doing this so wrong before. I was making it so much more difficult than it actually is. Okay. And then let's just go back into here. I don't know what we were happening here. Okay, that's better. Okay, and then I literally, so I go all the way around the back, and I literally, for the back, I just pull the back, and find any bits that have not been curled. And then I go to the top, and I find my parting. I'm getting my hair done, you'll be amazed to know. I'm going back to my lady that did it before, because I like the way she did it. So I'm doing that in August. And I just go over the top and gently twirl. Look, isn't that gorgeous? I find that my hair curls a lot better when it's freshly washed. I don't know why that is, but I find that it just does. And it's so true, once you get the hang of this, oh no, then, oh no, then you kind of, once you get the hang of GHD, it becomes really easy and you can do it all the time. And it looks so much better than just, especially if you've got short hair. And I think before I was doing it too high up. You need to, and I was doing my curls up here for some reason, and I like them quite low. So I just pull out all the little bits that are straight. It doesn't have to be, you know, perfect. You're just doing like beachy waves. And you do some more curly than the other. My contraption here, like, what am I doing? Like, seriously, Shaz, do you like to make things really difficult for you? Yes, yes I do. Okay. Right, so basically that's that side. I don't have that much hair, so it's pretty easy for me. Right, I'm gonna go back on this side. So you've got, the more you keep it on, the deeper the curl's gonna be. So pull down, twist, roll, and just, there you go, you get something, you get the gist. Okay. Make sure you've got your little end bit out. There you go, and you get nice little things. And then you can just change, you can switch it up. So for example, I did that one, but if I go, let's see what happens if I go this way. Yeah, so you get different kinds of curls. So you could do one way, one that way, but I think it's easier, and I just prefer just to do it like this. Like, it's so much easier, and you just get those nice little waves. And literally, you do not even have to be precise at all. Like, this is like the third time I've done it now, and this is like, I've finally mastered it, and I don't look like some curly maniac. I always find like people with, I know this is really mean, like when people have really curly hair, it's like, I feel personally when I have really curly hair, I look crazy, like absolutely like, ah, you know? So I like to have just loosey-goosey curls, because I'm crazy enough. I don't need any more crazy, you know? Oh my God! Honestly, like, what is going on around here? I'm like the noise police. I get so mad. Like, we've got these, I don't know what the thing is at the moment with these like cars that have really loud engines, like, and these motorbikes. I mean, it, honestly, I literally swear out of my window. I'm like, bugger, for God's sake. Like, why? It's just so annoying, especially the motorbikes. I literally want to go up to them and go, could you not? Or I literally fantasize about, in the middle of the night, opening up their car and stealing all of their engine and like dumping it in a river. So when they go to start their car, it just doesn't start. Like, I don't understand what this loud, you know, fair enough if you're driving a Ferrari or a Lamborghini or what the heck, but if you're driving a piece of crap and you've just souped it up to make noise, then it's just like, what's the point? Okay, so then that's basically what I do. Like, in all fairness. Then go back and see, right, what needs more curling. You may need a bit more curling here. It doesn't matter what size chunks you get. You can just get any chunks. You can put some sea salt spray in. I don't do anything to my hair, to be fair. I just wash it, sleep on it, and then the next day I just do this. And that's about it really. And then you get sort of nice curls. You can kind of like brush them out. I kind of brush them out. So you get kind of like a bit loose, a bit loosey-goosey, you know, and there you go. It's as simple as that really. Yeah, I surprised myself, to be fair, but yeah, you just get that sort of nice sort of like bounce, especially if your hair's a bit shorter. I quite like that kind of bounce, and it just looks a bit beachy, a bit lived in, you know, a bit however you want. You can get some putty and sort of putty it up a bit if you want to. And then again, if you feel like there's a straight hair, for example, you can just feel it like, oh, there's a straight hair here. Grab your GHDs, go back in and curl it. Voila! I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. I will link what I used down below, and let me know what else you'd like to see. Click that notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.